Alright, so here's the 2021 Supra. This happens to be a co-worker of mine. And he's already got a drag set up for the vehicle. He's got the skinnies up front, nice meaty tires in the back. I think he's already tuned in. He's got a downpipe on the car. So this car is ready to rock and roll whenever you get on it. She's still got that B58 motor underneath, which is a stout motor, 8-speed automatic, rear-wheel drive. Hopefully in the future Toyota decides to put a manual, especially because Nissan's coming out with that new Z model that's going to have a stick as a option. So that'd be pretty neat to see the two Japanese cars go against each other. So once again, Supra here, 21, drag pack setup on it, downpipe, probably tuned, and it sounds pretty nice. Overall style, still trying to get used to the look. But definitely a nice small car, easy to maneuver and park. And then you got your exhaust back there with the diffuser. Weld wheels. Fit over the big brakes back there. So pretty clean setup. Once again, Supra. This car probably runs high 11s if I'm not mistaken, with the power and everything that it has. So thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and thanks for everybody that watches my videos. Really appreciate it.